Hi, boys and girls. So, Johnny is here to help me today again. So, what we're going to do is count the shapes, and then we're going to tally how many of each shape. So, one of the easiest things that we can do is if we color the shapes, so like the first shape is triangle. So, let's color all of the triangles red. And then we can easily count them to see how many there are of the triangles like this. And make sure that we have all of them. So there's, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 triangles. So we're going to make 7 tally marks. Okay, on the next one, we're going to color the circles, and it doesn't matter what color you color them, boys and girls. They can be any shape. So we're coloring the circles. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10 circles, so we need to make 10 tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And I forgot to color this circle. Now let's color the squares.
And then
1. Where's another one, Johnny?
Right there.
2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5. Oh, nope. We gotta color that one so they know this one. Color this one. Okay, now how many did we say there were?
5.
Okay, so do 5 tally marks. Good. Now we're going to do rectangles. 1. Oh. I'm gonna use my crayon. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 4 rectangles. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, John, last one. Will you do the pentagons?
1, 2, 3, 4. Count with me. 5,
6. So there's 6. He's going to do 6 tally marks. Good. Awesome. This is pretty easy, right?
Yeah.
On the side, and then turn it into your teacher.
Bye.
It's not rocket math. It's just practicing our math facts. And there's a number line at the bottom of your sheet to help you. So the first one is 15 minus 7. So put your pencils on 15. And how many are we going to count back, John?
7.
Okay, ready? 1,
Which
2,
would
3,
equal
4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, what's the answer?
That would be 8.
Very good. Now we do 14 minus 6. So count back with me. We're going to count back 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that answer is also what?
8.
Good. We'll do one more together. 9 minus 3. Let's count 3. 1, 2, 3. So what's the answer?
6.
Very good. All right, boys and girls, finish this